Hello everyone. So now in this video, we will see about the scale tool. So here you can see this option is our scale tool. So once I click on this scale tool, so here on the modification panel, you can see two options, graphical and numerical. Basically, you can scale any element with the help of graphical or numerical. So we will see with the help of numerical. So currently I have just taken scale factor as 3. You can just change it from here. You can just make whatever you just wanted. So I just need to select here the base point. See, I just clicking here. So you can see the wall is now scaled 3 times. See, now let me make undo. So I will just now this time I will select the wall from this end. See, last time I have just selected the wall from this end. So this end was fixed and the line was extended from here. Now if I just click on here, see this end is fixed, but the line extend in this direction, right? So now let me make undo. I will select this one again and scale tool. The numerical value is 3 times of scale. Now what if I just select in center? See the triangle is showing the midpoint. If I just click on here, see the wall has extended both the side to address the scale factor.